Do you want to play a game? Quick, it's about to start. When you score a goal, money goes into your pocket. When you concede a goal, money goes out of your pocket. If you live a good life, you live to 90 years old, like 90 minutes on the pitch. The rules have changed. My parents' generation, you'd work all your life. At the end of that working life, you'd get a handshake, a carriage clock, and a guaranteed income for life. That's now been blown out the water. House prices have risen 500% since the 1990s. Interest rates are next to nothing. If you have any money saved over, you get next to nothing on your interest rates. You're scared to invest after the market crash. You don't have the time to invest or understand the seemingly complex world of the stock market. And there's a cliff edge fast approaching where people don't have enough money for when they stop working. They have 11.5 million people in the UK have less than £100 in savings or investing. So what's the solution? So the dream is to become financially independent and retire early, which is called FIRE. So I've have enough assets to pay you an income for when you stop working. So when you wake up every morning, it feels like the weekend. You have the choice to go to work or do whatever you want with your day. This is real freedom. In the old days, they called it retirement. So I've created a card game called Football Formation, Asset Allocation, and it teaches you how to invest. I've also got an online course and run accelerator programs. So who's it for? It's for 25 to 45 year olds. So the millennial generation, the baby boomers and Generation X have had it too good for too long. So this is only for millennials, 25 to 45 year olds, to teach you how to make better use of your money. So it's getting better education, just teaching you how to make money work for you. So I give away 5 money tips, a video with the best tips available. All you need to do is tell me the best place to send it. Send me in a link below on my website, moneytips.co.uk. So why? The aim is to reduce your stress and worry around money, to have more time in your day, to spend time with your friends, your family, or just having more me time, to do things that you actually want to do, reduce your stress and worry around money. So my name's Neil Doig. I'm the Financial Times shortlisted author of my book Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruits, you need the roots. I was a chartered shipbroker. I was also a trader. My best day trade was £940,000 in a day for my company, the FTSE 100 company I work for. And I was also a qualified financial advisor, advising million pound customers. I didn't feel comfortable helping rich people save more tax. I was thinking, how many hospital beds would that provide? How many books could that provide schools and libraries? And so I put all my concepts in a book and giving it away, and giving my 5 best tips to money mindset. So all you need to do to get this free guide, this video, is just tell me the best place to do it. Send me your email address in the link below, and I will send you not only the video, the 5 best tips, I will even send you chapter 1 of my Financial Times shortlisted book. So my name's Neil Doig. Please like, subscribe, and please tell one person about Football Formation, Asset Allocation, because it makes better use of your money.